This heated camping chair, of course, comes with the cover and carry case. So when we unfold it, it has a strap to keep it secure, and unfolding it, you can see it seats two. It'll hold up to 550 pounds. You plug it in with USB, so any power bank will work. There's 4 heating zones, both seat cushions and pads. There's 3 levels of heat. You've got red for high, blue for medium, green for low. And of course, you can turn the whole thing off by holding it down for 2-3 seconds, and it will shut off. On each side, you have insulated coolers. On the back, there are 2 storage pockets. They secure with bungees at the top as well. Nice and large, so you can keep lots of items in there. On each side, again, you've got both the insulated coolers as well as a small storage hook for bags and other accessories. Holds 2 people. This is great for camping and sports watching with your loved ones.